Hello, this is my first Minecraft video, and I'm gonna make a giant wave machine, like really long. So it's gonna be very epic. And I have some resource packs installed, so as you can see, the armor is a bit different because I put armor on. Because for some reason there's like a suit under the skin, and I didn't really want that. So I changed the armor, and I also have this cool crown. The skin also already has a crown, but this crown's better, so I have this. Also, redstone pack. I think it's called Improved Bedrock. I might make a video on how I get all my mods and resource packs and whatever, but this looks a lot better than normal redstone. And I'm not good at redstone, but today, this wave machine I'm going to be making is going to be big. So I'm just going to go out of this. And we're going to get started. What we're going to need to do is we need to do this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put repeaters like this. And the longer you make this line, the longer your wave machine is going to be. You can copy this if you want. I did test this design out already, so I know it works good. But I am not that good at redstone. Okay, this is not long enough. I'm going to make it longer. So I'd say that's long enough. You definitely don't need it this long, but I wanted this long, so I'm gonna do it. And, I'm on Bedrock Edition, so I can't really have World Edit, unfortunately. But, yeah, so because I can't have World Edit, I just have to copy this onto the other side manually. But you don't even really have to do, like, the redstone repeater part for this row. You can just use like normal repeaters. You're just gonna put a big line like this. This is to make it bounce better. I made this design myself, so you want to leave that space. It's gonna be very important. But after you place every single one of those, you just have to set the tick speed so it goes faster. Because if you have all these repeaters lined up, your wave machine's going to be really slow. So depending on how fast you want your wave machine to be, you can set these to different speeds or whatever. I don't care, but I'm just going to put them on the quickest speed. I think this is the quickest speed. You know what, let's do a test. So if I have these lined up here, and then I can grab a lamp. Then let's just put the lamps at the end of here, and then let's do this. So one of them's pulled back, one of them is going to be at the beginning, and then we're just going to do this. Okay, so, wait, what? Okay, this one's going first. So, yeah, mine are not on that. Well, I probably shouldn't have done this, but now I have to reset all these. Luckily, it's just one tap, so it's not that hard. But you want to make sure that these are quick. I would say the longer it's going to be, the quicker this line should go. But after you do that, make sure to not connect these because there's going to be another setup part. I would also just test how fast it's going to be. So it's pretty good. And then you don't want this to be too slow, but I'd say that's a pretty good speed. I'm going to reach the end. And then just make sure it works. So now that I know that works, what I can do is can make it like this. So I'm just going to put all these repeaters here, and you're just going to put one on every spot where there's redstone dust. whenever you're placing repeaters, make sure it's facing the right way. I used to not be able to figure out redstone because I didn't know that, and then when I finally found it out, I was like, wow. Now, you should put pistons at the end like that. Sure, there's a better way to do this. Make sure the pistons activate, and if they do, then it's working correctly, and that means all of your repeaters are facing the right way. Then just add the rest of the pistons. So it's kind of annoying because they're flipping, but you're just gonna put this like that. So now that we have all these pistons here, and I messed up a few, just make sure you don't mess them up. Okay, why can I not do this? Just gonna grab like stone or something. I'm just grabbing this so I can fill in things. And we're just gonna fix every single one of these pistons, so there's only a few I need to fix. I'm breaking things way too fast. Now that I did that, okay, I thought I made it always day on this world. Let me check my settings real quick. Okay, always day. What? Okay, there. I have daytime now. And next, it's time to see if all your pistons work. You have to do this to make sure that your repeaters are facing the right way, and if it goes around like that, then that's good. I might have to change this line later, but we'll see, because this might be too slow. But the next thing you're going to want to do is place a slime block on every single one of these. And now that you did that, it should make it bouncy, okay? I would recommend just testing everything after you do it. So like I can do this. And then, okay, I'll also show you why to leave this blank. So once it goes all the way around, you're gonna break this. And then once it does that, you're gonna place redstone. Yeah, this is probably too slow, but just make sure it does a loop like that. It looks pretty good. It's working. And I think this side might be too slow, but I don't know. If you want to deactivate it, just break that redstone at the end. And once it all gets to the end, it should stop. The next thing after that, this is probably the most annoying part. Not placing the rails on top of every single one of these, but you'll see after. So now that you did that, this is the annoying part. You have to place a minecart on every single one of these, which you know is fine. But the actual annoying part is when you have to break the rail under them. And you could like build a big thing on top of this and then just break the block and it would break the rail by itself and drop it down. But I think that would just take longer. It would be easier, but it would take a lot longer. So I'm just not gonna do that. If you wanna do it and you can't get it to work for you, I would. Then you're just going to carefully break each rail, okay? Very annoying. Because if you accidentally break the minecart, then you have to put everything back like that. Okay, if you break one thing while doing this, then you gotta fix it. So it's now fit. Nope, don't sit in it also. What? Okay, give it to me.
Hi, Isaac, hold on a second. Leave the phone to Gavin.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm making a video right now.
Alright.
So I'm basically just making a redstone Minecraft video. I'm making a wave machine.
Cool.
Yeah.
Do we do some more Minecraft redstone?
Yes, we will.
In that world that we were playing together in, did you find the new ores?
I didn't find the new ores, but I did find the new monsters that were in the pack.
Tell me about it.
Okay, I just completed the minecarts on it, and it should be good now.
Do you want to do it like once you finish that, right?
You can join. You can join my world.
Yeah. Well, yeah. We'll put all work together on a redstone. Do you have like a redstone series? That'd be cool.
Yeah, we should just like put all our redstone stuff in this world. Okay, so you're gonna set it up like that, and then.
So I have an idea, and we'll make and you know how you make playlists? We can make a playlist.
Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, make sure it's always rendered, because then it will start bouncing and it'll be out of sync, and it won't look as cool as it's supposed to be. Okay, join the world, and I'll show you what I'm making.
I can't. I have to wait
Okay.
a second.
Well, after you can join, do that.
I'll be back in a second, okay?
Okay, this minecart won't stop bouncing. So I think I'm just gonna replace it. Hi,
Axolotl Gaming! Woohoo!
it's Crazy Axolotl Gaming. I think I've lost like 10 subscribers because people are subscribing to Axolotl Gaming.
That's a marketing problem.
What do you mean?
You're not marketing yourself properly. I'm joining Minecraft. It's
Alright,
loading.
I see,
How long it takes for Minecraft to load?
yeah. I mean, on this new iPad I have, it doesn't. I might have messed
No,
something.
it's correct.
I might have messed something up. Okay, what?
Dinner's ready.
Yeah, my mom wants me to go to dinner, but I'm just gonna finish this video first. Make sure they're always rendered. And if it stops and does that, that happens a lot. And if that does happen to you, I just recommend...
I'm 40% loaded, apparently, according to this.
Okay. So if it does that and it is not working very good and it's not very smooth, then...
I can't even see what you're talking about.
Yeah, I know, I'm filming the video.
Alright.
So if it's not like smooth enough or it kind of just doesn't work, then put redstone in between here and it should go a lot faster and look better because it's supposed to look cool. You could also put
Like the wave from like earlier, like when you showed me that the wave in
Build-A-Boat?
Yeah, that's cool.
Well, I'm making on the Minecraft version now. Alright,
I'm gonna change my skins. I'm gonna choose this one. This one's weird.
I'm using one of my axolotl skins. Well, like always, I always use my axolotl skins. Alright, I'll reset the clock, and it should be more smooth now. I see like 3 minecarts that aren't working, but it's fine, because there's like 50 of them. So it's just gonna go down like that, and
I'll go.
yeah, I think I messed something up.
I'll join you and help you.
Okay, I definitely messed something up here. I don't know what I did.
Alright.
Did these have different... Maybe these have different ticks? They all look the same.
You use these as packs, I can tell that.
Yeah. It wasn't working because of the hole, and I don't know how it took me so long to realize it.
Did you use the mods?
No, it's just a bunch of texture packs.
Alright, here we go.
Why are you using that skin? It looks so weird.
Look, if you look in my chest.
Okay, you want to see it? You want to see it? Watch.
Oh, jeez!
Okay, get out of the way. Doesn't it look cool? I just spent like the past 10 minutes on this. Okay, yeah, it stopped. I think by making this clock shorter, I made it too short, so I'm just gonna put some random redstone repeaters in here.
This looks cool. This redstone looks cool.
That's the point. Oh yeah, the texture pack changes the way the redstone looks. It kind of just makes it easier because the old redstone does not look good.
I'm not doing some of my own contraptions, okay?
Okay, make it far away from my wave machine. I don't want anything near this thing.
I'm just grabbing a few things from my inventory over here.
Okay, I made the clock a bit longer, and let's see if this is more smooth, because I don't really want it to stop. That's not the point. The point is for it to go for a really long time so you can just sit there and enjoy it. Okay, it's going down here. Yes. Oh no, why are these minecarts not rendering it? No! Did you push the minecarts off?
No, I was watching, I went over there and they were already off.
Oh, yeah, it's going back up. So if it like slows down, but then it eventually goes back up, that's how you know your clock is right. Because when I made the...
That's so cool. I don't know how you did that. This is so cool.
Knowledge, that's how.
Did you make this up? I'm questioning.
No, I actually made it myself. It's my design.
Alright, then this might get pretty popular.
There is more efficient ones that take up less space, but I like this design. It's simple. Like, even someone who's not that good at redstone can do it. Like me. I'm not the best at redstone, but I can make this stuff.
We're gonna want it right here. Let's hope this works.
Isn't that like one of the default Minecraft skins? Because they added more defaults.
No, this? Mine? No.
Yeah.
I made...
Okay. Come on. Go back up. No! Oh, it's fixing itself. And it's going up again. Alright, well, that's it for today's tutorial. Bye.
Oh, this pig is